Hey guys, I'm Destiny. I'm be teaching you how to fold clothes. Nah, I know some of y'all might know how to do it, some of y'all do. So basically, if you don't want your clothes to always be all bundled up and wrinkled like this, you know, wrinkled like, but don't be like me and be lazy and don't do it. So basically, you know, have a shirt like this. Just lay it down on the bed. Just simply lay it all down on the bed, you know. Just fold one arm like this. One on the arm like this. Fold the other shirt. This is how I fold clothes. You put it up and make it in a little, take it in half like this. And then put it down. Do another fold. So do max like 2 folds. Then you see like got like a little rectangle or triangle. Then you fold it again. You got a whole perfect, you know how you go to the store and you see perfect little shirts like this? Great. Now, you know, do another shirt. Let's do a short sleeve. Short sleeves are kind of easier than long sleeves because, you know, you got to do extra folds. But basically, you know, do this right here. Lay it down. Do a little, right there. Do a little fold. Another fold like this. Fold it into like the 2 ends of it is like this. Lay it down flat. Fold it again twice. Boom. Perfect. This is how I do it. Be at the store. So if you don't want your clothes all wrinkled and ugly, you know, just go ahead, fold them like this, and they'll be fine. Or if you want to do another fold, make it a little crispier, make the little edges a little crisp. You feel me? So then do it like that. And you just got a perfect folded shirt. And then if you have, just picture if you have all your clothes like this, just sitting in the drawer. You don't have no just bundled up stuff. That's how you fold your clothes, guys.